Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you learn how to use the Extrude with taper angle and Extrude to cut and create a new plane. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the top plane and make the base. In the base, we have a rectangle with 8 millimeters by 60 millimeters. The top plane will be in this face here, okay? After making the rectangle, we'll make an extrude with 25 millimeters with 20 degrees of taper angle, okay? So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select the 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, 8 by 60 millimeters, okay? Finish the sketch, go to extrude, extrude this minus 25 millimeters and the taper angle 20 degrees. Press OK. We made this. Okay. Now we'll make this cylinder here. We have 50 millimeters of radius and in the hole has 40 millimeters of radius and we need to extrude this 40 millimeters, okay? And the distance between the center of the circle and this face here is 155 millimeters. So go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select a circle, make a circle here with 100 millimeters and another one with 8 millimeters. Go to sketch dimension, the distance between the circle and the midpoint here, 155 millimeters. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Now finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile. The direction here, select symmetric, measurement holy length, and the distance here, 40 millimeters, okay? We made this. Now we make the cylinder here, from this face to this cylinder here. So the diameter is 30 millimeters of diameter. So go to create a sketch, select this face, select the circle, make a circle here with 30 millimeters in the midpoint, finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile, the extended here to object, select this object here, operation join and press OK. Made this, okay. Now we'll make this cut here. This cut, we have a radius here with 12.5 millimeters and we have a line here. It is like a rectangle here with a circle in the center, okay? 8 millimeters here and 12.5 millimeters of radius. So first here, go to construct, select offset plane, select this face here. The offset here is 155 and go to create a sketch, select this plane here. And here, select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 25 millimeters. And go to point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint. The distance here, 40 millimeters by 18 millimeters, okay? And finish the sketch. We have this profile here. Now go to extrude, select this profile, all this face here. And the direction, one side, the extended type, all, operation cut, and press OK. We made this cut here. Now we needed to create a cut here. The diameter here is 30 millimeters of diameter. And the distance from this point here to this edge, 42 millimeters, okay? So show the plane one here, go to create a sketch, select this plane, select the circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 30 millimeters of diameter. Finish the sketch. and go to Extrude, make a cut here, minus 42 millimeters, operation cut, and press OK. We made this. Now press letter A in the keyboard to add some color here. Go to Paint, Glossy. I select some faces here, okay? So here we finish your exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.